Welcome to JaiInfoway, where we specialize in transforming your ideas into market-ready products. With over 15 years of software development and integration experience, we focus on three key areas: digital presence, product development, and digital operations. We've built over 250 products for startups in the fintech, healthcare, hospitality, and IT sectors, delivering tailored solutions that drive success. Your digital presence services ensure your brand stands out. We prioritize aesthetics and usability in website design to boost conversions and sales. Our digital marketing strategies generate content that attracts and converts leads. With data analytics, we provide insights to inform your strategies, and our SEO optimization campaigns ensure you outshine the competition. In product development, we begin with ideation towards digital transformation, identifying and solving your most critical challenges. Our product strategy and design workshops refine ideas using methodologies like design sprint and design thinking. We focus on user experience and interface design to create user-friendly, high-fidelity prototypes. Through proof-of-concept development, we bring your ideas to life with agile TDD. Continuous client input and feedback ensures the product evolves to meet your needs, leading to a successful app launch and achieving product-market fit. Post-launch, we offer integration and maintenance to keep everything running smoothly. Our operations services include integrated CRM for comprehensive customer management, help desk, service ticketing for mobile-enabled customer support, inventory management, accounting, and billing solutions, all optimized for both mobile and desktop use. We offer competitive pricing with experienced engineers. Our engineers, with 3 to 5 years of experience, are available at $15 an hour, and senior engineers with 5 to 8 years of experience are available at $20 an hour. Plus, you get access to a business analyst, project manager, and architect at no extra cost. We tailor our development phases to meet your timeline, whether it's digital presence, prototyping, or launching a commercial product. Choose between our fixed cost and time model or our dedicated team model to fit your project's needs. With offices in Miami, New York, Los Angeles, San Jose, and Pune, we are always accessible and ready to assist. Reach out to us anytime via phone, email, or online chat. Our widespread presence ensures we're always available to support your project. At JaiInfoway, we're committed to helping you succeed. Let's bring your ideas to life together.